So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Indian Energy Exchange, that is IEX share. So we know that there are few updates regarding this particular company. So that's why we have seen considerable positive movement in the stock. So what are those particular updates and what are the next possible targets? So that also we'll try to find out. And I want to tell people who are watching this particular video for the first time, I would like to tell you that you need to watch this particular video also. So this is regarding the fundamentals of IEX. So we know that we have discussed this particular video almost 2 weeks back. So we have discussed it is a monopoly company and what are the various business prospects it has and what is the future target of it. So that also we have discussed. So make sure you watch that so that for knowledge purpose you will be having the entire idea of Indian Energy Exchange. Okay, so coming to the updates regarding IEX, so we know that officially update has come regarding the increase in the volume. So you can see the volume has increased almost 92% year on year in the March 2021 on increased consumption of electricity. So obviously the summer season has started. So electricity is some of the crucial component of any human being. So without that day-to-day activities are also not possible. So on that particular note, a very good increment was seen in the this particular power market exchange. So that's why the stock has also considerably moved above the 350 rupees level, and you can see today's high it has hit almost 364 rupees level. Okay, so you can also see by the increasing demand for electricity across the various states, the electricity market IEX has achieved all-time volume of 8,248 MU in the month of March 2021, surpassing all the previous milestones. So clearly I told you, so when monopoly business is present, so definitely when any positive update comes, so definitely in the further sessions the stock movement also will be very positive. So due to that particular reason only today we have seen a very good movement, and apart from that we know that the exchange market performed well despite the COVID-19. So it doesn't matter COVID-19 or anything, definitely electricity is required. So without electricity nothing can be done. So that's why clearly we discussed that at any point of time this particular stock has huge benefit irrespective of COVID pandemic or whatever it may be. So electricity is one such sector, so which is not majorly affected by any negative news. Okay, so these are the basic things regarding IEX. So what were the because of that particular update only today we have seen considerable positive movement. So if you want those particular things, so directly you can go to the BSE website and download that, or you can directly Google search as well. Okay, so coming to today's traded quantity versus deliverables, so you can see almost you can see 41.36% delivery percent is there. So that is pretty good. So not telling that it is not that great, but it is very good for this company. So if you compare let me show you. So if you compare the day-to-day wise deliveries, so you'll see that almost on April 5th also we have seen almost 1.6% downfall was there, and you can see deliveries 37 was present. So today we have seen considerably deliveries have increased because of this positive update. So if you go little back, so there also you will see almost average deliveries, you can see roughly it is 44-45. So on that particular range only deliveries were taken, and you can see stock movement also. So consequently 2 days it has shown correction. Again today we have seen a little rise in the stock, and today market was also little volatile. So very huge fluctuations were present because the market was also from positive, it has gone to negative, again it has come to positive. So on that note many stocks have also fluctuated in that particular region. So clearly I told you, so try to buy some good quality stocks. So in Telegram also on regular basis we have discussed very good stocks when any breakout is happening or when accumulation is happening. So that point of time also I am updating so that you can take all the necessary action. So make sure you join in the Telegram and also press the bell icon. So if you don't press the bell icon, so you'll not get any latest update. Okay, so those were the major updates regarding IEX, and you can see deliveries also have been considerably taken. And if you see the trading charts, that is very important. So what are the next possible levels? So you can see currently it is near 352.40, and you can see it is almost showing 3.16% positive movement. And you can see it has been respecting the pivot point very well, which is coming out to be near 339. So from there it has not even corrected a little bit, but again the buying has started near that particular levels. So current resistance, so that is very important. So currently you can see it is facing a resistance near the 360 and 365 rupees region. So this particular region is a little resistive zone for the company. So if it closes near that or above that, then definitely in the coming sessions we can see a continuous uptrend in the stock. Nevertheless, so even if any correction happens, clearly you need to accumulate this particular company in long term. Definitely it may give you some multi-bagger return, so no doubt about that, but only thing is little patience. Okay, so money flow index also, you can see it has corrected little bit. So earlier it was in completely overbought region, so now it has come to 60 region. So that is fair enough. Okay, we can say completely fair enough, because the demand wise in currently in the market, so definitely little correction is mandatory, and it has completed that particular phase. So now since a positive update is present, so definitely it will start rebounding. Okay, so that was completely in 1 day chart. So what you can see in 1 week chart, so 1 week chart, you can see the major hurdle, major resistance after 360, 370, 365, you can see 379. So that is the major resistance. So if it crosses that, definitely 400 plus can be seen in the stock. So that is midterm target. So 400 plus can be seen. So try to accumulate. So it is this whatever you're seeing in 1 week chart, so doji type of, so that is consolidation. So that is accumulation is happening at that particular level. So clearly I've explained these type of things in Happiest Minds video also. So whenever this type of correction is happening, that is sideways movement, whatever we call in market terms. So whenever sideways movement, that is either major positive nor major negative, just slightly positive or slightly negative. So you need to encash that opportunity, and you need to average at that particular level, or either you can have a fresh entry. So clearly levels wise we have discussed 350 is the best entry. 350 no doubt is the best entry. So try to buy, or you can average either at that particular level. For resistance of 379, if it crosses that, 400 plus can be easily achieved. Okay, so these are the targets of IEX, and updates also clearly we have discussed. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram as well. So until then, take care. Bye bye.